The Transport Authority has implemented new measures to deal with the anticipated increase of persons seeking to renew road licenses at this time. The move follows a buildup of customers at its Maxfield Avenue office in St. Andrew on Monday, where the security forces had to be called in. O'Shane Masters reports.
On Monday, transport operators gathered at the Transport Authority's office in St. Andrew, seeking to renew their documents. One operator explained that he arrived to do his transaction at 7:30 that morning. But with COVID-19 concerns and social gathering restrictions now being enforced, only a few persons were allowed to enter the premises.
And we were told that only 16 people were allowed to enter, 10 doing renewals and 6 doing pickups. Subsequently, 16 people were let in, but then the crowd started forming by the gate. Around 200 people were here.
The customers we spoke with were upset as they believe the proper measures were not put in place to deal with the usual high numbers at this time of year.
Corona go on and them have this big line. Them a call number, them not have no steel line for call out the number where you can stay far around here. So if you bung up at the gate for here, your name calling, brother.
The government should make a regulation that when we come, you give us a ticket and give you a time. You give you a ticket, you say you come back 9 o'clock, you come back 10 minutes after 9, you come back 15 minutes after 9. That's where it's supposed to go.
The police came and told us to disperse. Many people didn't. And so one major police officer came up and he said that he will be calling the JDF to come and disperse the crowd. So said, so done.
However, while acknowledging that there was an issue at the office, General Operations Manager at the Transport Authority, Cecil Morgan, says it was all caused by the usual last-minute approach to paying fees. The licenses are to be renewed before the start of a new financial year on April 1, but the operators came on the last 2 days. Despite this, however, Mr. Morgan says in light of the restrictions relating to the COVID-19 pandemic, the authority has now implemented a 14-day grace period during which all licenses may be renewed without late fees. He says the police have also been advised not to seize vehicles for this period. A drop-box facility has also been implemented for applications, receipts for payments, and the pickup of license within hours. O'Shane Masters, TVJ News.